here you are. You already finished introducing yourself, and you already know that there will be other questions that will be coming up. And it's going to be with the lines of, tell me about yourself, or can you tell me a bit more about you? And when you go back and imagine to go back to that situation, and you were put on the spot, and when you tried to wing it, nothing came out from you. And the last thing that we want to happen is for you not to say anything at all. So what are we gonna do? Don't sweat it. I got you here. On this video, I'm going to show you a way to present yourself, to edify on how you can describe yourself to the person that asks you and want to know more about you. Is that something that interests you? If that is, stick until the end of the video, because I'm going to show you exactly on how you are going to deal with this situation. Let's go. Let's start with introducing with you some of the words that you can use to describe yourself, like adjectives. If you can remember going back learning similar with English, let's learn adjectives on how we can describe ourselves and the best way that can describe you. Guess what word is this? Cool. Cool means cool. Cool. 我的朋友有酷的车。Guess what it is? 我的朋友有酷的车。It means my friend has a cool car. The next one, this might be a useful adjective that you can use. This is what describes you too. 聪明的，聪明的。Guess what it is? It's smart. Smart. 聪明的。Let's go for some sample sentence.
大多数的人觉得我很聪明。
Guess the sentence. What it means. Let me repeat again.
大多数的人觉得我很聪明。
It means most of the people say that I'm smart. Well, you can use this. This doesn't sound like you are praising yourself, but some people has given this testimonial for you. That's one of the ways that you can speak. I know that you're smart. 漂亮，漂亮。This might be a word that you can use if you're a guy or you have a girlfriend or you just want to compliment someone. This would particularly work with ladies. So, can you guess the word? 漂亮. This is pretty. So let's go for some sentence. 你今晚看起来很漂亮。你今晚看起来很漂亮。What does this mean? It means you look pretty tonight. So when you're on a date, you want to use a sentence, then this is a perfect sentence for you. And you might even get cool feedback. It's going to have more effects when you're going to use it. Next would be 帅. 帅. This is, you want to guess it? It's handsome. I'm not saying that I am, but maybe you are. So if you can hear people saying 他很帅, maybe they're complimenting you that you look so handsome. But maybe on the other side, if you're a woman, a lady, that you also have a boyfriend, you can also compliment by saying 你很帅. 你很帅. You are very handsome. That might keep handy for you. The next one, maybe you want to guess it. 认真,认真,认真. This is, are you the type? Yes, you got it right. Serious. Are you a serious type? If you are, this can be of use to you. So let's go for a sentence.
我的同学学习很认真。
What does this mean? It means my classmates study very serious. You can use this as to describe an adjective, to describe a subject, or to describe as an adverb. The next one, this is something that you would like to hear when you get this compliment.
迷人的，迷人的，
Guess what it is? This is charming. Are you charming? Let me know in these comments below. Let's see, what are the adjectives that describe you so far on this video? Are there any? Let me know. 女士们说我很迷人。女士们说我很迷人。What does it mean? It means the ladies were saying, I am very charming. I hope this would be helpful, and I hope you get this compliment. This is for people who aspires to be a better version of themselves. And it's those specific aspirations and specific attitude, because they always want to win and they will always want to be progressing in their lives. And this word is 有想心的，有想心的。What is this word? This is ambitious. I'm guessing you are one. And if you are, let's practice. Use this word, practice it, and make sure you understand it. And not only to understand, but this is for you to apply and implement to your conversations. Give it a spin, give it a try, and let's see what comes out with it. I would love to hear from your comments. 我们在公司是有想心的。我们在公司是有想心的。What does this mean? It means that we are ambitious in our company. This might be through work, maybe even through personal. And maybe, probably if you're in a business, this might be helpful too. And this next word, this might be some adjective that could really describe you. This is very positive, and this is well received in most cases. So hopefully this might be you. Let's guess the word.
友好的，友好的，
What does this mean? It means friendly. Is this you? Let us know. Let's go with a sentence.
我的新朋友说我很友好。我的新朋友说我很友好。
Do you get a sentence? It means my new friend says that I'm friendly. I hope you receive this kind of compliment. 强壮，强壮. Do you know this word? Let's guess. Strong. Strong. 强壮. Maybe you wanted to hear this kind of compliment, or you can easily describe this if this is you. 在健身房，他们说我很强壮。What does it mean? Let's practice with a sentence. Let me repeat again. 在健身房，他们说我很强壮。You want to guess it? It means at the gym, they told me that I am very strong. Maybe you are also strong. 你是健壮吗？你告诉我们 Are you also strong? Let us know. 减分的 Is this one of the words that probably describes you the best? And this word is hardworking. I'm sure that you are hardworking. You must be working smart too. 我想我很勤奋，但是还不够。我想我很勤奋，但是还不够。What does this mean? It means I think I am hardworking, but it's not enough. This sentence might apply to you. This applies to me too. So I hope this is useful. Make sure to use it. This adjective might be you. And this is an adjective that I like. This gives that tension away, especially when you're engaging with someone. I hope this is you. But if it's not you, let's see. Take a guess. 幽默的. 幽默的. Take a guess. This is humorous or funny in that sense. Are you? Let's give it a try in a sentence.
我的家人告诉我，我很幽默。我的家人告诉我，我很幽默。
What does this mean? My family told me that I am very funny. The next one would be 有趣的. 有趣的. What is this word? This is interesting. This is very positive if you're going to hear this. So let's see. Practice and make sure this sticks into your mind, your heart, because when someone says that you're interesting, that's a sign. Let's go for some sample sentence.
我遇见了一个女人，我觉得她很有趣。再来一次 ，One more time。我遇见了一个女人，我觉得她很有趣。
Did you get it? It means there was one day I met a woman that I found very interesting. Maybe this is something that you can use. Who knows? It can be someone that is special to you, or it can be your client, it can be your friend, it can be whoever you can imagine. Just practice. Let's go with the next one.
诚实，诚实，诚实。
What does this mean? This is very important. Honest. I'm sure you're honest. And let's go with some sentences.
我妹妹不诚实。我妹妹不诚实。
It means my little sister is not honest. Maybe it's just sometimes. So this is just one of the examples that you can use.
随和的，随和的。
What is this word? This is easygoing. Are you easygoing? Well, let's go for some sentences.
他是一个很随和的人。他是一个很随和的人。
It means that he is an easygoing person. Maybe you are. Let's give it a try. If you didn't get it, don't worry, just go back to the video and rewatch it, and you will learn more and more lessons when going back to the video. 可靠的，可靠的. What does this mean? Reliable. I hope maybe this is one of the words that also describes you. So when we're going to put it in a sentence,
他们很可靠。他们很可靠。
it means they are reliable. I hope this is one of the adjectives that you can use. So tell me, what are the 3 adjectives that best describes you? Let me know in your comments below. I would love to hear what are those 3 adjectives. And if this video gives value to you and also what you're looking for, please give us a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscriber bell button below. And because you will receive updates from us every week, new episodes for you to learn and also use in your Chinese daily conversation. And if this video can benefit to one that you know or to many, you can share our video to them so that we can also reach out to more and more Chinese learners that is looking for some lessons and guidance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. 再见.